Hi guys, and welcome to the Greenlight Fire Department. Today we are looking at our 2016 Ford Police Interceptor Utility, aka Ford Explorer. This is one of our backup vehicles for the department. This was a former battalion chief, and then it switched over into the EMS side, and now it's just pretty much used as a spare. It will be up for replacement. Right now we don't have anything really picked out or budgeted, but the time will come. Once it gets replaced, it will be sold off, move on to its new home, new department, wherever it will end up. It served the Greenlight Fire Department since 2016, has a good run. At almost 10 years old, time will come for replacement, whether or not we will continue to get more of these Interceptor utilities or we switch over to another vehicle.